So we're back with the 66 Mustang. New brake pads, new wheel cylinders, waiting on the brake lines for the rear. Got the new tank in, got it all hooked up. I don't know why Kentucky Mustang says made in Taiwan. It looks like it's painted, but it was the cheaper tank out of the two. So I got that all in, some help. All new wheel cylinder. So I actually am missing one of those. I even actually brought one over here, so I don't know what happened to it. It must probably under the car somewhere, but this one's all new springs, everything's new. They didn't even give me the center spring, so sweet quality Chinese parts too. Love it. Got the old fuel pump hooked up and it works somehow. I wonder if that sucker's original. Look at that. And she's pumping fuel like no tomorrow. Pretty sure the $40 battery I got is not going to hold up. Change that out again. Oh yeah. Need 4 of these. I got one used old one. What else did I do to it? Let's grab the keys. But this is what we're working with today. You can sit in there and I can put the key in, right? There we go. Oil pressure comes up. Gas gauge is working. Amps is working. Temp. Sounds good. I got the air conditioning stuff off. Got the alternator running back now. And I'm gonna have to tighten the alternator bolt. I can see it wiggling. Yeah. Had to bypass the heater core. It was leaking, and the front. So this is what took the AC off in the first place. Freeze plug was bad, so I had to reroute this alternator to make it work. Which it seems like it's going to. I just need to tighten the belt. These are old belts. Should probably put some water in it. See where we're at. It just rained like downpoured over here, so my nose is running and I'm sweating. And I can't stop. $59,000? Wow. Oh yeah, and this is why I think that's original. Where'd it go? Found this. Yeah, is it gonna focus? Anyway, this says last oil change, 59,171. Yep, it's got 200 miles on it since the oil change almost. You gotta love these cameras. Huh, it's weird. Anyway, that's what it says. Alright. Dump some water in the whole radiator here. I wonder if this radiator leaks. Every time I put more water in here, it starts leaking out of another freeze plug or heater core. Somewhere. Oh yeah, it was really low too. I'll show you where it was leaking. And we got some you should have seen the gas that came out of that old fuel pump. Yeah, let's pour a little bit of that in the motor because I don't really want to dump it on the ground. So, back to the antifreeze situation. This is where it was leaking out of the heater core. So I might as well take that out, dump that back in there because it's quality there. Yikes. There's a dead bug in there. So it ain't all water. Not the bug. We don't want that in there. This whole cooling system's gonna have to be flushed. Yeah, good enough. We don't want the bug. All right. So now, where are we at? Well, we're at the top. Again. Let's start her back up and see where she leaks this time. Oh, come on. Does it need gas? Well, this is the first time I've started it where it hasn't leaked antifreeze somewhere after I shut it off. Uh-oh. I can hear it. No. So what is going on with this exhaust system? Do we have any exhaust system? I think we're running off the header. Let's check her out. Oh, it looks like it's broke off. What? Is that some kind of 1 into 2 system setup? Oh my. Oh, we're running right off the header on this side though. Clean brake. Throw a couple glass packs on it. Oh, it did have an H pipe. Huh. Was this a dual exhaust car? No, it just went into that. They had this into that. And they had single. I was gonna say it's only got 8-inch rear. At least I think that's an 8-inch rear. It looks like it. This stuff looks like it's all leaking. Oh my. I think the steering arm might be bent or something. This car's gonna need a lot of work yet. Part of the fun. Sure is loud. Anyway, now we know what's going on with the exhaust. Gosh, I almost fell asleep down there. I didn't want to get back up. Out here sweating. So, now that we got the heater core blocked off, we don't need to put that back in there. Keep my container. All right. I guess we're on to the next one. It's getting quite extensive on this car. I honestly should just probably market it pretty soon before I get too much work into it, as I think I already do. If I could find that piece for that, I could put the other side together for the brake system and then I'd be done. I got new lines coming for the rear end. I got that line and the line that comes this way and that way. So I got that set up. $80 just for those 3 lines. So yeah, I'm missing that piece right there. It goes in from there to there. I don't know what they're called, push rods, whatever. I'm gonna have to find one. I can't believe I had them all and lost one again. So, well, that's what's going on with the Mustang. Just figured I'd do a little update. The engine sounds really good in it, but I mean, it's got some pretty decent oil pressure for a 289. They never have much, but there she is. Have a good one. Like, share, and subscribe. Later.